So to dedicate this song to the Kamai and Polaire family right over here.
All right.
Uncle Monaco. By the way, if you guys like Filipino food, especially blood meat, we call it dinakwan. I tell you, Uncle Monaco, it makes it good. Do
Let me do this story. What time I was at the airport, that time TSA, they had a lot of Filipinos, a lot of Mananga. This is why he tell me, she stopped me, she go, oh, Manang, you Filipinas? What? I don't have a penis. She got all embarrassed, she said, what? So sorry. That's all right, Tata, Nana. Sorry, Tata is Papa. I said, no, that's okay. I'm just making a joke. Not me want Filipinas.
song is entitled Dahil Sa'yo.
Pretty. Malako. That's right. Dahil sa'yo ako dahil sa'yo ang nagmamatay napapunta tuwing walang kailangan puso ko tatuwin ikaw ay galing tama dahil sa'yo aking ligaya lumigaya hanggang mamatay ay puso ng malang ko ang naliliwan ang lahat pinanggito dahil sa'yo at Manako, Mr. Manako and Junior, because of you there's a joy in living because of you life is heavenly I never lived before never felt a single thrill before my heart stood still before darling I'm in ecstasy because of you love is sweet and tender and this my love I will offer you so never leave me all things I give to you my heart is ever true because of
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Koluna Kamai Polaire.
yung solo. Mo'ang Filipinas. Manang. Ano?
Mahal kita sa